Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Please, please. Arvind, my dear friend, this is, I bet, your 8th visit so far, or how many visits have you done so far?
Over half a dozen in the last 2.5 years.
Wow. 6 times you have visited the kingdom, and I want to thank you so much. 3 years ago when we first met, you have committed to bring the IBM might and strength to the region, and today I think you have a very important announcement to make.
We do, but I also want to first thank the kingdom for the partnership with IBM. I see Amin sitting there. Almost 80 years, I think, we have been in the kingdom, so we have had a long partnership, and it's been continuous. But to talk of the excitement today, we have decided to open a software development lab where we're going to be harnessing the talent of the local population. We are going to build AI-based technologies here that we are then going to take into our global market. I think that is incredibly exciting.